Hey y'all, it's your girl Shalicia coming at you with a new tutorial. I recently posted a video on my pre-Sephora VIB sale haul, which I'll link up in the cards if you haven't checked it out already. And I had purchased the Natasha Denona bronze palette and I wanted to play with it and see how it worked. Not disappointed at all. Haven't been disappointed at all by any of my Natasha Denona palettes so far. If you want to see some other looks I created, I'll link them up above in the card as well. But I got this really fun bronze, slightly smoky eye, which is great for fall. I know it's like November now, but you know, it's still technically fall. It's like another month-ish. I don't know how the seasons work, to be honest. It's cold AF in my city. It's snowing. Well, it's not snowing. It snowed this week, and it's still out there as I'm looking out my window. But I thought this would be a nice warm look to show y'all. Super easy, because you know your girl likes her looks super easy. If you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned the rest of the video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Shalicia. I do mostly all beauty related things, like makeup, hauls, a lot of hauls, because that's what your girl likes to do, is shop. And sometimes some fashion videos and whatnot, some lifestyle will be coming. So yeah, if you're interested in those kind of things, definitely subscribe. Follow me on all my social media. It will be all listed down below. Let's be friends, y'all. I really want to start using Twitter. I haven't used Twitter in a hot minute, and I don't know what to tweet about. So leave me some ideas on what you guys tweet about, so I can get my tweet game up, you know what I mean? But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned the rest of the video, and I'll see y'all in another one real soon. Bye, y'all.
Digits on the beat. 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 Digits on the beat.